Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor Mahendra Reddy, Kaise Baat, my former colleagues, members of the University of Kenya, thank you, Madam, and welcome. Again, I will begin by thanking Dr. Prasad and the Federal Arts and Law and the Institute of Organizing this program, which I see as a very unique program. Ladies and gentlemen, talent and knowledge is not only found amongst the four walls of a university, but also out in the community. We need to mainstream these raw talents and knowledge, and it is the university community's responsibility to do so. Those who are academic found in the university system have to reach out to those talents in the community, and not vice versa. Neither can these people on their own document or fine-tune their own talents. We have to reach out to them, identify and recognize these talents, and mainstream it. And this is what I see this event being tonight. Often we see universities shying away from recognizing community talents. There are a lot of raw talents, original talents out in the community. They leave it to the talent holders themselves to organize due to several limitations. These talents seek eventual realize. They fear recognition of these talents and cause competition to their own talent, or might dilute their talent standing in the university community. This program today negates such views. The program Kaise Baat was initiated in 2012 by Dr. Mahendra Reddy with a view to encouraging academic and community nexus on promoting, reviving, and discussing Fiji Hindi as a plantation language unique to the Fiji Islands. This unique language grew from nature labor experiences as it became the common language from diverse groups of dialects and languages of India. This including dialects from North India like Bhojpuri and Only, among others, and the South Indian languages like Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam after 1903. Fiji Hindi evolved as a common language and borrowing from these languages as well as from Fijian and English. It remains an evolving language and has its own distinct language varieties and local dialects like the Bangladeshi Fiji Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji Hindi has also become the common language among later free Indian migrants to Fiji. The common currency in Fiji, spoken between Indo-Fijians and other ethnic groups like the indigenous Fijians or Indo-Fijians, Chinese migrants, other Pacific Islanders, and part Europeans. In the past, it was a replacement language, post-venture of plantation, and field Hindi, spoken mainly by colonial sugar refinery company officers, but also by colonial officers in the general colonizer publics. Much of the pioneering work on Fiji Hindi and academia came notably from the discipline of linguistics. This included major studies of language in Scanner by Jeff Seidel and many more. This extended into writings of translation dictionary, Fiji Hindi and English. The gentlemen, Indo-Fijian writers like Raymond Pillay, Nathan Pillay, argued early on for the legitimacy of the place of Fiji Hindi in public spaces, in mediums like radio and literature. In order to bring Fiji Hindi beyond the colloquial, Pillay wrote the play Adhura Sapna, Shattered Dreams, in 1978, and took his point on its legitimacy as a language. This was followed by a novel, Dr. written by the ceremony in 2001, a tragic comic epic saga, tracing life in precarious situation among Indo-Fijians. Most recently, films like Adhura Sapna, based on Pillay's play, and Tom Dr. Mandri, and Hercules, Homegrown, have used Fiji Hindi. This is a significant departure from earlier films from Fiji that used a Bollywoodish variant of Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, there was an increasing usage since we found on radio and advertising through various mediums, on internet, in public forums, as well as open sites like Wikipedia and other popular culture forms, such as folk songs and rap music, given Fiji Hindi the currency in the public space that Pillay, among others, asked for. Fiji sits within the global region identified for language loss due to effects of colonialism and more recent changes in population mobility and the pervasive nature of introduced national languages of the colonizer, mainly English and French, regional colonials. The major introduced language in Pacific, according to a study by Franz Mutala and Jan Ten, other than English is Hindi, in particular as a document called a variety of which known as Fiji Hindi, spoken as first language by about half the population of Fiji, whose interest was brought on as English and language work on the sugar plantation between 1829 and 1961. Gaining currency and usage through popular culture forms such as comedy, rap music, films, literature, and radio, and on television as well as on the internet and social media forms. Ladies and gentlemen, we all should continue to acknowledge the common history and related plantation origins of Fiji Hindi within Fiji and in the wider context of labor movements under colonialism into other regions like Africa, Mauritius, Southeast Asia, and the Caribbean. In a multicultural society such as ours, if you wish to build up a peaceful and stable community, then what to do is to learn one's language and the culture. Also, pedagogical identity. It was upon this premise that Ministry of Education embarked on the implementation of the trilingual program, which I'm sure you've heard about. The course is a compulsory language learning conversation between Hindi, which is now implemented in most of our schools as conversational language. I believe it would be an honor for me to thank the organizing committee, which is hosted by USP's Institute of Education, for supporting this program. The assistance has greatly enhanced the facilitation of this pursuit to promote and revive Fiji Hindi, the plantation language in Fiji Islands. On this note, I urge all those Hindi teachers and Hindi writers to openly acknowledge the place of Fiji Hindi and it be giving us our own identity in Fiji. With this, the few words, ladies and gentlemen, I now have much pleasure in declaring open Kaise Baat 2015.